Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both phones so the transfer can run without interruptions. Connect the Android and iPhone with the correct cable and make sure both screens stay unlocked. This allows WhatsApp to detect the source device. On Android, create a fresh local backup and confirm the phone number you'll move. Once done, open WhatsApp on the Android and select Move Chats to iPhone when prompted. This exports messages and media into a transferable format, so the iPhone, you now execute the core transfer step by step. On Android, follow WhatsApp's Move Chats to iPhone flow and tap Start to begin exporting messages and media. Keep both phones connected and on Wi-Fi to speed up transfers. Next, on the iPhone, sign in with the same phone number and allow the import when prompted. This is what links the incoming data to your account. Make sure you have enough iPhone storage and patience, because large attachments will prolong the process. You finish by validating the imported content and addressing common failures. On the iPhone, open WhatsApp and confirm that chats, photos, and group histories appear correctly. Re-enable permissions for photos and notifications so media displays. If messages are missing, make sure the cable stayed connected. Restart both devices and run the move again. Temporary glitches often resolve on a second attempt. Finally, keep the Android backup until you've fully confirmed the iPhone data is complete. Then remove unneeded backups to free space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.